This 1953 Royal Quiet Deluxe has been fully refurbished in near mint condition, and it is ready for use. This 1953 Royal Quiet Deluxe is in great condition. Beautiful green keys. The finish is in really great shape. The biggest nick it has is probably right here. The decal on the back is a little bit faded. It looks pretty good. And there's a couple of rivets here that are not original. That's where plate has been added in here, where the original one that came off. This machine also comes with a reprinted user's manual and the original case, which is in pretty good condition. Better than most that I see from 1953. Has been cleaned and it's solid and it latches well. It even has the rubber feet on it still. Hardly any marks on it, really. There is one dent in this corner here, just a little one. The way this case is designed, it's top heavy, so when you open it, it won't, and it's empty, it won't slap like that, just because the top is heavier. So when you're putting the typewriter into the case or taking it out of the case, what you do is you remove this top half. There's a little lever here to pull towards you, and it just slides off. Then you can put the typewriter in there. And there's 4 levers lock it into place. And then you slide the top back on. If you have someone to help you, you don't have to do that. Someone to help hold the top half of the case. And when you go to take the typewriter out of the case, you just lift it up like that. It's kind of awkward. It's easier just to take the top half off.